All right. Rain coming down.
Coming down.
Woo.
Oh, you feel it?
Yeah, I feel it. Feel nice, don't it?
Yeah.
Got your puppy dogs on. That boy fresh. Look at him. Good. Nice granddad out here.
And I got a bun with it.
Ooh.
I hope we go to the inside pool. I got bun.
Yep. We can get you. All right, we out here. Let y'all see what it feel like when it rains. I know y'all can't see it. Let's see if I can give you a little close up or something. See these raindrops. Woo!
I'm just gonna take off my shorts.
It is coming down. It's so nice.
I love rain season. Summer season is sickening.
The truck getting a nice wash today.
Sure is. Wash on the dump.
Yep.
And tuck on the truck. It's gonna feel good after this. These plants gonna love this.
I promise.
I was so thirsty. I just got me some water bottles. It's gonna smell good too.
It is gonna smell good.
I love it.
So green.
And I can even see the mountains from over there. Yep. And there's some people over there. You see it all there out in that space? You see all them houses over there?
Yeah.
You see from my back, see over there?
Yep, so my house over there.
And if you go to the back of my house, you see like it has some villages or some back there.
Mm-hmm.
See like you have some people.
Because everybody live together.
I know you have
So here we are, living our best life.
And we're going to see you to 10 or 15 minutes.
He been wanting to do that for a minute. So we'll see y'all in about 10 or 15 minutes, like my grandson said. Make sure you love on us by watching, subscribing, sharing, telling a friend, tell another friend, because we're trying to get our views up and our subscribers up.
Enjoying the family. Enjoying the family.